everyone, I am Gauri. Once again, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali, and today's video I am going to show you my living room decor for this Diwali. So let's get started. Firstly, I am going to decorate the window with this garland. For this, I am going to use this S hook, which is very handy and easy to use. These colored curtains I purchased recently, and I have already shared this in my recent Diwali decor haul video. Diwali is the occasion of colorful lights and ambience, so I have used these colorful decors to the maximum, which could give a perfect look for this Diwali. These cushions were bought from IKEA, but these cushions are so thin and not giving a proper shape. Hence, I have put the two cushions into one cushion cover, which now looks solid and good shape. In order to give a contrasting color for my cushions, I am using my dupattas to have a proper match with vibrant colors. Just a small touch of cleaning and setup, and I have made a small alteration in swapping the places a Buddha to give a fresh look, and nothing big different or arrangement made. I have placed this Buddha on the table and fixed a small plant inside the Buddha planter, but it was not visible since the plant was very short, so I have used this candle holder to elevate and give a better look. Now let's move on to center table. In the middle, I have placed these lovely golden candle holders, and on other side I have placed this urli inside. I have kept the brass type vase upside down to give an elevated look to place this small kuttuvilakku. Without diyas, Diwali is incomplete. Hence, I have placed few diyas to give a festive mood look and colorful background. On my entrance hallway, I am placing these torans to give a welcome, warm and colorful ambience for the wonderful occasion of Diwali. With this, I have done all my setup for my living room decor for this Diwali. Continue watching the living room tour video till the end. you all enjoyed watching, and requesting those who haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and keep watching my future videos. Thank you so much.